You need to take care of your body. If you want to perform to your best, if you want to be able to have the energy, to have the strength, to feel confident, to feel healthy, you must take care of your body. And you do that by exercising. You do that by eating healthy. You do that, of course, by going to the restroom, even though that sounds a little bit dumb. Of course, that's a need. That's where their basic human needs in the hierarchy or Maslow pyramid. So that's a need. By drinking water. So all that, by taking care of yourself, showering yourself, cleaning yourself, all that's a need. When you don't do those things, you don't feel 100%. And that's when we sometimes make the mistake, sometimes to make the wrong choices. Or sometimes we take it to the extreme. Instead of taking care of the basic needs, we start drinking alcohol and we start getting addicted to it. We start eating horrible food and our body starts showing it by us increasing weight, by us not feeling healthy.